Gama Nangamso Nazz Badi. I'm an activist and member of an organization called Free Gender. I wouldn't specifically say there was a certain age that I started being a lesbian. The only thing I can say, coming out of the closet. When I come out of the closet, I was 18, because it's not an easy thing, like like to your parents, more especially when you come from a background that is like me, like Christian background, like apho mamakho mama mfundisi. Abantu bayathetha abantu, like amadoda yabona abo like okay, yeka umuntu ongumama aside, okay uzakunyemba kuthina but there's those people, amadoda are homophobic. Amadoda uthi noba uyazihambela umuntu awumenza ngani uyakuthuka nje estratweni, just out of the blue, engathi uzikhethele. So freedom is not free. For more especially as the LGBTIQ plus community, freedom is not free. Like uyahamba nje estratweni, you know that you could be attacked anytime, just like ungadibana nje nomjita akuhlabe akudubulo okanye kwenze anything umuntu afila it's right for them.
Free Gender was formed in 2010 as an NGO. The reason that Free Gender was formed was because of the high numbers of hate crime, the rates, and how much lesbians and gay people were killed at that time. So we thought that it could be a safe space for lesbian women, especially Black women, where they could be free to talk about anything and probably feel at home. And what we're basically doing at Free Gender, what we're doing is one, we assist lesbians, Black lesbians who have been raped, harassed, or assaulted in any way. So what we basically do is to make it a point that they get help, they get counseling, they go to clinics, and that when they go off to report cases in police stations, they get the proper assistance, and that they get the proper treatment and not have to be questioned, are you male or female, what were you doing walking around at a certain time.